Expression, this is a very important concept in algebra, an expression, algebraic expression. Well, let's look at the word etymologically. I like to do that because it helps me remember what words mean. Etymologically just meaning getting at the root, okay? Because it wasn't like words came out of vacuums, they develop over time. Generally they come from one of two languages, German and Latin. Those are like the two, you know, those are the two basic languages that we get so much of English from. So expression, there's a word in Latin, it means or x, and it means out or out of, I believe, or it may actually mean away, but it's basically, we see with the root, we understand that words like exit, external, they all have something to do with out, right, versus internal or something like that. This is just, this prefix, the beginning of the word x, just means out of or away, think of that. And press is another root we see in there. And press, we can kind of just understand that that's, you know, just like when you press something in, you're pushing two things together. So an expression then is when you're pushing things together out of, you're trying to get something out of the pushing things together, if that makes sense. You're trying to push things together and you're trying to get something out of that, okay? So that being said, an algebraic expression is we're going to have some things that we're going to try and push together to get something out of this, okay? So in other words, 2x plus 4. That's our expression, okay? That's our expression. What we can do with this is absolutely nothing unless we know what x is equal to. If we don't know what x is equal to, this is it. This is our expression, and we're stuck with this. But if we know what x is equal to, we can do something called evaluating the expression. Okay, so someone just give me what x is equal to.
5.
What I like is, you know, Dave gave me a different number to stress that it's able to vary, always able to vary. So in this case, x is 5, and 2x is a term, and a term is a number times, in this case, a variable, which is a product. I should write that word down. Just a quick review. Sum means what? Sum is for addition. Product is for multiplication. Difference, subtraction. And then quotient is division. There you go. 2x plus 4. In this case, product, and then we have a sum. And the sum is the whole thing makes up an expression, an algebraic expression. Dave pointed out x is, the variable is 5, so 2 times 5 is
10.
10 plus 4, and we get the grand sum of 14. So we evaluated this expression when the variable was 5. The variable could have been 50 million or 0. Okay? So, and then we would evaluate the expression along those terms.